See one, do one, teach one is something often quoted in clinical teaching. We would like to transform this into see one, do one, teach one, and value one by revolutionizing the ability to provide real-time anonymous feedback anytime and anywhere. Welcome to my teaching evaluation, or MyTE. My name is Sarah, and let me give you a tour. MyTE is an innovative global evaluation platform for the fast-paced clinical teaching environment. This software enables educators and learners to register teaching and learning in a quick, intuitive platform. MyTE can generate thousands of evaluation opportunities and learning credits all in less than 30 seconds. This video will walk you through all the exciting features we offer. Let's get started. In this video, we will walk you through how to register a profile, create a learning encounter for others to evaluate a learning encounter with a given ID or QR code, review all your teaching evaluations in your portfolio, and access your personalized dashboard of all your teaching encounters. Feel free to skip ahead if you are looking for a specific topic. Now, let me pass on to my colleague Carlos to introduce the first topic.
Thanks, Sarah. To create an account, log onto myteprof.com and select Create Account. Type in your name, your email, and select a secure password. Also select your institution, department, and specialty. Make sure that your password has 8+ characters and at least 1 digit. When completed, select Create Account. We will send you an email to confirm that your account has been successfully created. Make sure to check your junk mail folder if you do not see the confirmation email. To sign into the account, type in the email you registered the account with along with the password you selected. For security reasons, we will send you a verification code to your email. Type in the code you received to complete the verification process. If you did not receive the code, select Try Again to have the code resent. If you wish to reset password, select Forgot Password. Put in the email that you registered your account with. You will receive a recovery password via email. Type in the recovery password and select a new password. Then select Reset Password to complete the process. To change any information on your account after it has been created, go to My Account, then Edit My Profile. Here you can change your name, email, or your affiliated institution, department, and specialty. You may also change your password here if you wish to do so. First feature, creating an encounter. To create an encounter for evaluations, select Create Encounter. Give your encounter a topic name. Then select the date and duration as well as the corresponding categories for your encounter, such as the audience, the learner size, education level, skill set, and location. Once you've created an encounter, it will lead you to an information page with a unique encounter ID and QR code for your encounter. We will also send you an email with this information. Special tip, for recurring encounters, such as morning report, use the same topic name. By using the same topic name, you will be able to group these encounters to access aggregated evaluation data. The Group By feature is explained in more detail in the upcoming portfolio section. When an encounter is created, a confirmation email containing your encounter details will be sent to your mailbox. You may forward the email to your assistant, your learners, or include the QR code in your presentation slides. The QR code can also be printed and placed in clinical spaces or on ID badges. Think of creative ways to engage your learners to reflect on and evaluate your teaching. Users can evaluate an encounter either anonymously or with a signed-in account. To evaluate within your account, go to Evaluate Encounter, then type the unique encounter ID you would like to evaluate. Respond to the questions on the evaluation form. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code to evaluate the encounter. If you missed a question, we will give you a reminder on which one you missed. Submit the evaluation to complete the process. If you have already evaluated an encounter on your device or account, you will not be able to evaluate the same encounter again. You are also not able to evaluate your own encounters. If you don't have an account or you don't wish to link your evaluation to your account, you can evaluate anonymously. Click onto the Evaluate Anonymously, then type in the encounter ID. It will bring you to the evaluation form. Similarly, if you are using the QR code, you will be automatically directed to the evaluation form. If you are not signed in, your evaluation will be anonymous. However, note that you will not be able to receive credit for the evaluation if you do not sign in. Back to you, Sarah.
Thanks, Carlos. One exciting feature we offer is called the MyTE dashboard. The dashboard provides real-time teaching performance analytics. In the dashboard page, data can be visualized based on different parameters. Simply select the filter on the top left corner to change which parameter you'd like to associate with, such as location, learner size, audience, skill set, and education level. You can also take a chronological view to learn how your scores and hours have changed over time. Here is a more detailed view of what we offer in the dashboard. There are a total of 4 graphs: overall score, total hours, scores over time, and hours over time. For the overall score graph, you can choose how the distribution of scores is presented based on different parameters, including skill set, location, learner size, audience, and education level. When you scroll over each bar, we show you the total score of that specific category. The same can be done for the total hours graph. As you change the filter, the bar graph will change accordingly to show a different distribution. This demonstrates how your scores differ by different types of encounters. The dashboard also provides a view of your teaching performance over time. In these 2 time graphs, you may view the graph in increments of day, month, or year. Our final key feature is Portfolio. In Portfolio, you can view your evaluation data. For an overview of all encounters, select View Summary. This will give you a summary of all your evaluation, with data such as average scores, strengths, challenges, advanced skills, and comments. If you wish to have a copy of this summary, simply select Send this report to my email, and we will deliver a copy of it to your mailbox. This is an example of what a portfolio report looks like when it is sent to your mailbox. Users have supplemented their resume with MyTE portfolio reports. The richness of the evaluation data can help build a more powerful, enhanced, personalized teaching resume. Portfolio also allows you to filter and group. You can select the start and end date on the top. You can also group evaluations by topic, duration, skill set, location, learners, and audience. For example, Group by Learners will enable users to review one-on-one and small group aggregate data that is normally difficult to access. Summaries are only released if there are 4 or more responses. This is for anonymity to ensure learners feel comfortable in providing honest feedback. Here is an example of evaluations grouped by skill set. Selecting medical clinical skills will generate an aggregated report of all medical clinical skills teaching, including total evaluations, average scores, strengths, challenges, advanced skills, as well as all related comments. If you wish to have a copy of this summary, simply select Send this report to my email, and we will deliver a copy of it to your mailbox. We have delivered thousands of portfolio reports around the world. Thanks for listening. We hope this tutorial is helpful.
We can't wait to see how this platform can transform your teaching and learning to a new level.
Welcome to MyTE.